Hi, my name is Diksha and I handle business development for our organization called Cedarwood. We are a comprehensive after-school program for kids where we do a lot of extracurricular and academic activities for kids all the way from 1.5 years to 16 years, right? So these courses are, specially designed to inculcate certain skill sets among children, whether that's communication skills, confidence, leadership, right? And the type of courses we do range all the way from elocution in drama and theatre to creative writing classes. We do workshops in science where we actually do forensic sciences for kids, right? Then we have a very specialized mother-toddler program which we call Care and Share. We do workshops for the older kids on Shakespeare, right? So it's an entire gamut of classes that we do, and all of them help the child become more confident and a lot more aware. What I feel is a really strong point about Cedarwood actually is our faculty. Each and one of our faculty members has a minimum of 25 years of teaching experience. That's in elite schools, and now they feel that they should start doing classes that actually add value to children, right? So, and the other thing that we focus on is all of our classes are highly interactive, right? So it's not only about the teacher giving a classroom session. She tries and gets as much input from the class, which consists of different children. And the third thing in my mind is that we try and build the personality of a child from, in entire comprehensive way, right? So it's not only academics, or it's not only being good at one thing, but we take into consideration a lot of things. So our classes really help development of confidence among children, right? And that's the main thing that I spoke about earlier. And we also give them a platform to perform outside Cedarwood. So we've tied up with leading brands and centers where they are exposed to an unknown audience, and that we've really seen that they get more confident, they know what to say, they have the correct body language, so on and so forth. The second thing is that everyone loves coming to Cedarwood. They want to come here. Even if they come here just for 1 hour once a week, they actually wait the entire week for the class, and this is the feedback that we get from parents. So we really appreciate that. Another thing that I want to add is we have a 100% re-enrollment rate. We've been in Pune for almost 2 years now, and all our students are still on board.